Good afternoon, good morning. Yeah, I shall be teaching you guys how to solve your TMA question yourself without without anybody helping you guys. For those of you that don't have time, you can solve your TMA yourself. You just have to follow the simple process. You have to log into your portal first. I'll make the video very fast. Then you put your matric number and your password. Then you can see it automatically log in. Then you open another page. You make sure that it's two tab that is available. So now you click on your course, the course you want to take. Any course you feel that okay you want to take. So let me take this one for instance, CIT 309. Okay. Let's see. Okay, CIT 309. So you come here and browse it. CIT 309. Now, so while it's loading, you come back here. For those of you that have a very good internet, I think this will be best for you. Make sure you always have a stable internet connection. So you can see you have to click on these dots. I've taught you guys about this thing before. If you don't click there, your TMA1 won't open. So I'm sure you guys are aware of this. For the old student, you are aware of this. But for the new one, if you don't click all those stuffs, your TMA won't open. Now you have to click on attempt question now. TMA question, you can see this, right? Okay, you can see this. So that is the number of bits. You can see this. So you come here, you open the material. So what you just have to do in this material, just have to click on Control F. It will be Control F is to bring out the find button where you can easily search the whole material. You understand? For those of you that is using laptop, you can easily do this. So sorry, my internet is kind of slow this night. So what you're going to do is that is the number of bits that read out. You understand? So what you're going to do is just highlight the keywords. You understand? You just have to highlight the keywords there. Control C. So remember, you have to click on that's Control plus F. That is, it's going to automatically bring out the search button. So you paste what you copy. You understand? You paste it in a material. So if I bring it out, I might not bring it out. So you can see. So unit of transfer for the memory, for main memory, this is the number of bits. Read, you understand, right? So and what is here? That is the number of bits. So let's see, let's that is the number of bits. Unit of transfer memory. Unit of transfer is equal, okay? So you can see this. You have to look at the question very well. Unit of transfer. You understand? So you have to click on the next question. Look at the question very well and the answer before you submit. It's very important. So number two, I want you guys to take note of another thing in this TMA. For example, you have this TMA question and you actually know what to do, or you are confused. You want to move to the next question. You click on flag question. If you flag question, you can see this. It automatically paints the place red. That shows that you've not done that question. You understand? So in a case whereby you choose an answer, let me say you choose this now, and you want to cancel the answer, maybe you're not sure of the answer, you can easily clear your choice. You understand? It's going to clear everything. You understand? Or maybe if you choose this question and it came out in another question, but the question is kind of the answer was different, you just have to flag the two questions. You understand? So now let's look at this number two. Dash automatically retain a copy of some of the recent used words. You understand? So let's just copy highlight the keywords here, then we search it. You understand? So let's see. Okay, so the crutch automatically retain. You can see this. You can see all of the crutch memory. Okay, you can see this, right? So you have to go back there and check in order for you to be sure what you actually um submitting. So in general, it is likely that most future this is one whatever and whatever and whatever. So you just have to read it very well before you submit. You understand? So we'll move to the next question. Okay, now let me say for instance I'm not sure of this question. Okay, virtual memory, RAM, and so on and so forth, all of the above. I don't think all these ones are there. I don't think all these ones are there. They're not there. They're not there. No. Because- Okay. Okay. Let's look for another question because it's two. You see this? Can you see what I'm talking about? So the cache memory automatically retains. So can you see? That is, you have to take your time while solving your TMA. You understand? So you have to be very careful when solving your TMA. Very, very, very careful. Extremely careful. So we'll go to the next question. I think my internet is kind of bad this night. An instruction format must include and dash, and you just have to highlight the keywords there. You come here and you insert control. Well, no, 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 no result found. So let's see. A format must, let's see this. Okay, okay. An instruction format must include dash. Okay, let's do that. A format must include. Ah, so what would this be? Okay, okay. For most instruction set, then okay. Let's see this first. Mm, I think this is the answer over here. Yeah. See, an instruction format define the layout, whatever and whatever. So let me check the answer. You have to read the question very well. Instruction format must include and dash and include. Done. Instruction format must include, and you can see this. You can see this. So this is the answer. You can see this here. Yes, you have to look at the question very well. Don't rush. If you rush, you might end up submitting rubbish at the end of the day. You understand? So that's it. Number three, that consists of repeating the process. So let's just highlight, Ctrl C, and Ctrl V. Okay, you can see it. Program execution consists. So program execution, you can see this. So we'll go to the next question. I don't want to waste time on this video anymore. This is number four. You can see that I'm solving it. So it's better you take your time. That is just reducible with multiple application. Okay, application system. Highlight, come here, and um, then let me bring one. This module system are fairly sophisticated compared to similar programming. That is just reducible. Mhm. So this one you have to read it. You have to read it. You have to read the question very well. You understand? To in order for you to get the correct answer. So